The standard size vehicle. This is a Renault Master medium wheelbase. This is the smallest size we sort of recommend. Low level to the floor. Easy to get in and out. Good head height. Workbench. Drawers. Pull out vice. And chewing stand. So we come back here. This is the Park Tool folding bench. Toolbox. So that's your bike mechanic on call. And then we've got the two stands. So this is the standard PCS 10. Quick release. Swivel. Sturdy. These are a good 8 years old. And you've got the taller professional aluminium stand. That can go a lot higher. The only downside to this is it does need to be on level ground. Okay, so we're going to remove the Freewheel. So you want the Park Tool free remover tool. The longer the better. Because some of the axles have nuts in here, so this one is deep enough to go over them. That slots in. So what we'll do first, we'll lock that in the vise and drop that into there, and then just turn anti-clockwise.
That's very straightforward. Right, action.
Okay, so we're going to adjust the axle because this spacer needs to go between the cone and the locking nut. So it's 15mm cone spanner, 17mm spanner. Just undo that. Gloves. Let's pick that up again. Lock those together. And then the adjustment would be done on this side. That one as well. So we'll undo that. Tighten that. So all I'm going to do is actually hold that with my hand. Turn that with my hand. Slightly, I can feel it rough, it's slightly over adjusted because when I lock these together it will actually slightly undo that, and it should be the correct adjustment.
Cool.
So it's just and tight. So we've locked the other side. This one is going to be the adjusting side. So that actually undone that slightly.
Yeah.
Still a little bit over tight. Going to back that off, and I'm just going to, with my hand, just going to hold that, just back that off slightly, tighten that hand tight. That's it, that's good, that feels good. Okay, so we're just going to screw the Freewheel back onto the hub. Just make sure you get it straight. That just screws on. And we just use a spanner, or when you fit it back to the bike, you just, with the chains round, you push the pedal down, it will turn that until it's locked in tight.
Yeah.